This is why you should record in 4:3 ratio with your Osmo Action 4. If you haven't seen my video from last year, where I explain why you should record in 4:3 ratio with your DJI Osmo Action 3, then this is briefly explained that you get more use of your sensor. It doesn't quite match the full sensor readout, but it's pretty close. In addition, you can of course also use Rocksteady. Here I explain why you should record in 4:3 ratio with your DJI Osmo Action 4 and also shows you which values you need to use during lens correction to get straight lines. As you can see, you will see more than if you were to use normal D-warp. And if you think ultrawide is too wide, you can always use digital zoom in post. That's also what D-warp does, something not everyone thinks about. Here you can see D-warp is pretty cropped in. The second one is wide, and the last one is ultra-wide. It's pretty wide. And here I'm gonna show you how you can correct it in post. The first one is D-warp. The second one is the wide. Go to lens correction on the right side, click analyze, 209. Go to the last one, mark it, analyze, 206. As you can see, the first one and the last one, straight lines but so much wider, and the wide is a little bit more cropped in. D-warp, wide, ultra wide, with straight lines. Here against the wall, D-warp, wide, and ultra wide. Let's go to wide, mark it, analyze, 212, ultra wide, analyze, 207. So I put it down to 206. It's not easy to see here, but it's so much wider. And that is how you correct your DJI Osmo Action 4 footage in DaVinci Resolve.